What's up, team? Coach Josh Graves here at Fitness on Fire. This is your Hyrox Roxzone Deep Dive. This is a part of a series where we're going to be breaking down the Hyrox race zone by zone. And today we're talking all about the sled pull. So let's break it down. You're going to be pulling the sled for 50 meters. It's going to be 12.5 meters down a strip of turf and back 2 times. So down, back, down, back. For the women, the sled pull is 78 kilograms, which is about 172 pounds. For the women pro, they're going to be pulling 103 kilograms, which is approximately 227 pounds. The men will be pulling 103 kilograms, which again is about 227 pounds. And the pros will be pulling 153 kilograms, which is about 337 pounds or so. Women's doubles teams will be pulling the women's weight. Men's doubles teams will be pulling the men's weight, and mixed teams will be pulling the men's weight. And the team relay is dependent on which team member is going to be doing the pull. Women will be pulling the women's weight, men will be pulling the men's weight. Both you and the sled have to be behind the line prior to starting the sled pull. Once you pull the entire sled across the 12.5 meter mark, you switch sides and then you pull the sled back. The sled pull is performed while standing. You're not supposed to sit or kneel for the sled pull. At all times, you're to remain in the athlete's box, the designated working space for the zone. These boxes are clearly marked so you don't overstep these lines while pulling the sled. Also, make sure that your rope stays in your designated lane and doesn't impede your neighbors in any way. If for some reason you complete less than 4 lanes, they're going to assess a 3-minute penalty for every lane missed. To make the sled pull more efficient, what you want to do is learn how to use your entire body and not just your upper body. Think about it almost like a rower or like a power clean. You want to load your legs up, you want to get nice and tight like you're about to do a deadlift, and then as you extend your legs, you're going to fall back with your body weight, simultaneously pulling the sled. If your hands and forearms start to fatigue, sometimes using a hand-over-hand grip will give you a much more secure grip. Use the athlete box. As you're falling, if you run back with your feet, it's going to save a lot of the pulling you have to do because you're using your body weight to assist the pull. Try not to just yank on the rope. Slow, steady pulls will beat out frantic, sporadic pulls. 50 meters is a lot longer to pull that sled than you might think. So now you've completed Roxzone 3, I guess you could say your race is off and running. I'll catch you over at the burpee broad jumps.